Hello class, this is Khushboo Singh and today I am going to teach you environmental studies of class 3rd from the very first chapter, that is Poonam's Day Out. Okay, so how many of you have interest in learning about this chapter? Do you have any idea what this chapter is saying or what this chapter is about? Have you ever read this book at your home? Okay, it's okay. So you can see this picture. There is a tree. There are various animals sitting over there. So this whole chapter is about animals. Have you interest in animals? Okay, so tell me, how many of you have a pet at your home? Nice. You have a dog. Very good. So you call him Jojo. Nice. Very good. So this chapter is all about animals. So you will learn that what are the qualities of animals, what they do and how they survive. Okay, so there is a girl Poonam in this chapter who is going to learn about various types of animals. Okay, so can we start? Okay. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I'm getting bored, said Poonam. So, what is Poonam saying? Poonam is saying that, Mummy, please let me go to school because I am getting bored at home and I want to go to school now. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the coat, replied Ma. But what her mummy is saying? No, you have fever still. She's suffering from fever. That is why she is not going to school. So what her mother is saying, that go outside and lie down. You don't have to go to school right now. So what happened? Poonam fell asleep on the coat. Suddenly something fell on her face. When Poonam was sleeping over there, as Poonam fell asleep on the coat, suddenly something fell on her face. When she was sleeping, something fell at her face. What was that? See, suddenly Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no, whose mischief is this? When she touched her cheek, okay, what she assumed? She assumed that, oh no, what is this dirty thing on my face? Okay, is it the crows or the pigeons? She was thinking that who has done this dirty thing on my face? Is that a crow or a pigeon? It seems it's a crow. She was thinking that it must be crow. Okay. Now see, you can see what are the animals on this tree. There is a pigeon, crow, and there is sparrow, butterfly, squirrel, and this black monkey also. So there she was thinking that the mischief that has fell on her cheek was of crow. Now see, when Poonam saw there were many animals on the tree, now what you have to do is, which animals can you spot on tree in the picture? You can see many animals. Okay, you have to write their names. So we will write their name. What are the animals over there? Okay. Okay, so you have to write the names of the animals in this given blank. Okay, this is your homework. You can see from here and you have to write their names over here. Okay, so Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. Okay, student, what Poonam was doing, that she has to remove that dirty thing from her face, that was mischief of a crow. So she picked up a leaf and she wiped her face. Okay, she started wiping her face. But what happened? that sticky thing was not being clean. So she thought that let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. So what she is going to do now? She thought that I will wash my face. Where? At the pond. So she saw a pond nearby her and she went over there. Now you can see in the pond there are many animals over here also. There are goat, buffalo, tortoise and a frog. See, you can see now all the animals are over here. Cane is also over here. So what you have to do now, see again there is a blank space. You have to write the names of the animals. Which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. Now you can also eat there is same thing here. The animals were on the tree and here the animals are in the pond. So you have to write their names also in the given space. Okay. Now next. Can you act like the animals seen at the pond? Which animals make that? What kind of sound and movements? So, what this chapter is saying, can you act like the animal? Which animal would you like to act? Like you can act like a frog. Like what does a frog do? A frog hop. Huh? It makes a jump, long jump for the movement from here to there. Frog have legs but they can't walk like other animals or they can't fly like birds. So frog has a different movement that is called hopping. Okay, they hop from one place to another for their movement. So you can act like a frog. Okay, and you have to make similar sound also. So it is easy how the frog make sound. That is a sound. What is the sound of a frog? You must have learned in your English classes. Okay, frog. Yes, anyone can tell me how does a frog make sound? Tar. Okay, very good. Now moving to the further. Can we move further? Very good. So see now, different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another. It is very clear that it is saying that different animals make their different movements from going one place to another. Like some of the animals walk by their legs, some of the animals that are birds that fly for moving here and there, for going from one place to another. Sorry. And some animals crawl where? Like lizard also crawl, but lizard crawl on the wall. Have you seen lizard now? See how fast they crawl on walls. Okay, and snake also crawl. So different animals have different types of movement. Okay, some animals walk, some crawl, some fly, and some swim. Like fish don't have legs, don't have wings to fly. So what does a fish do? They swim in water. For this, some animals use their feet, some use their wings, some animals even take the help of their tail. Animals which have their feet, they walk. Which animals have their wings, they fly. And animals which take the help of their tail, that is lizard. Lizard don't walk, don't swim, and don't walk. Lizards always crawl. Okay. Now there is another exercise given over here. You must have seen many animals too. Write which of them can fly, can crawl, can walk. Okay. So there are many specialties of different animals. You have to write their names like can fly. Which animals or birds can fly? You have to write over there. Like you can write parrot in this blank, first blank, then next crow, think and write. Okay, different types of animals do different things. Can crawl. You can write a lizard, snake, and the second option walk, then hop, then wings, feet. Okay, do it by yourself. And wherever you will find difficulties, I'll tell you. Okay, but first you have to attempt it by yourself. Now see what the story is saying. Animals live in different places. Some animals live in the trees, some in the water, some live on land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. Okay, and some animals even live in our houses. So there is what this sentence is saying. Okay, this sentence is telling about different places of animals, that where they live. Above we have studied about their movement. Okay, now we will study about their locations, homes. Okay, like like tiger cannot live in water. Okay, and fish cannot live on land. They have their special homes. Okay, God has made their homes. Okay, so like which animals live on trees? Can anyone tell? Yes, squirrel live on trees. You have seen now that squirrel always live on tree, and many birds live on trees only. They make their nest on tree only, and even monkeys. Where does monkey live? Monkeys also live at trees, in trees. Okay, and okay, which animals live in water? Fish, frog, turtle. Okay. Now, which animals live on land? Very easy. Cat, dog, lion, goat, cow. Okay. Now, some live underground. Some animals live underground. They make a hole and they just live underground. Dig the soil. Okay. And live inside that hole. That is rabbit. Rabbit live under the ground. Okay. And snake also. Ant. Okay. Now some animals fly in the sky like all the birds. Okay. Some animals even live in our houses like some animals live in our houses like domestic animals. Domestic. What do you mean by domestic? Anyone knows? Okay. Domestic animals are those that anyone can take at their homes. Okay. Pet animals are also called domestic animals. Very good, very good. So like cow, many of you have seen that many of the people, very good. Many of the people, you get milk from cow. Very good. So they leave. They have cows at their home. They take care of that cow or buffalo, and we also keep dog at our home for our safety. Okay, many people also keep parrot for their entertainment. Yes. Okay. Now next, this is a sketch of different animals. What you have to do is look at the pictures given below. Color the animals that do not live in your house. Okay. There are many animals over here like horse, elephant, dog, cat, hen, lizard, fish, duck. Many animals are there. So you have to color only those animals which do not live in your house. Like horse. It is not about only your house. Like many people keep keep horses. Many people keep elephant also. But it is asking about the animals which nobody keeps in their houses. Like this chameleon. No one keeps this animal at their home. No one keep this eagle at their home. Many people keep this hen so you don't have to color this. That do not live in your house. You have to only color those animals which is not a domestic animals very easily. You can find cockroaches also in every house. You can find lizard also. So you don't have to color all these. You have to color only this eagle, chameleon, and you have to color this elephant also. You can color elephant and you can color horse also. Okay. This is your homework all. You have to do it at home. No worries. So now, next what is there? Here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names. Okay, so see, you can see first picture is of dog. This dog don't have his front leg and his tail. You have to draw it, okay? See now next, this is a picture of a fish. This fish don't have her eyes and tail. You have to make it. And this is a picture of a cockroach. You can see from here and you can draw it by yourself. This is very easy and very interesting. Now rest of the things are exercises we will discuss in next class. So till here, anyone has any doubt or anyone wants to ask anything? Okay, so thank you for today. We will meet in next class. Okay, thank you.